Why are you so serious, Owen? You're on swing. Yeah.
Woo! Woo! It's an angel coming right at me.
No, he's a duck.
Oh, a duck?
Yes.
He's
feet.
quack quack. Quack 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 quack. Oh! You taking a video too, Mom? So I won't cross in front of you then.
That's a good idea. Are you taking a video?
Yeah. How can you not want to take a video of this?
I know.
You want to get down, Jack? Want to get down?
Oh! Boom!
You want to get down?
Where are you going? You're leaving. Where are we going?
Giddy up, horsey, giddy up. Giddy up.
Where's he going? I mean, on the slide?
Uh-oh. Daddy can't catch you. He's holding the camera.
Whee!
Oh. Ling, ling, ling. Ling, ling, ling.
You want to go next? Want to go down the slide? Ugh. Move Owen so Henry doesn't knock his face at him.
Uh-oh. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up.
Ready?
Giddy up.
Oh.
He's stuck. Bonk.
Okay, boys, one at a time. Take your turns.
Oh, careful.
Yeah, you gotta go over there.
Where's your belly button?
Okay.
Up.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, he walks up. Oh.
He walks up.
Even with his duck
Even with
feet?
duck
Yeah.
feet?
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh.
You gonna come down? Come on.
There we go. Look out. Whoa.
Good job.
I'm glad you guys came.
Well, Megan said, you're coming with me.
Good.
Hi, Mom.
You all fit in there?
Hello!
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you too!
Hey, hey, Ducky. Happy Halloween, Ducky. Quack, quack.
I know. He's having fun.
Oh my goodness!
Woo! 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 Woo!
He likes to fall backwards.
Woo!
Get out.
I'm gonna get Henry.
You want out, Owen? Okay.
Hi. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Cliff, happy Halloween.
What's that?
Happy Halloween.
You too. We can't keep away from the tractor.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Hi. Have you gotten any trick-or-treaters yet? No, not yet.
ball, you saw a ball.
Yeah.
Smiling that guy. I don't know. I don't think we'll have any fun together. Is that a horse or a, I thought it was a cow.
It's a horse.
I thought it was a cow first too, but it's actually a horse.
It is a horse?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a horse?
Horse's tail.
It's been
I don't
mooing
think
at
cows have the
him. Yeah, but it's with the spots.
Wait, but
That's
aren't there
what sets you
horses
off.
with spots?
There are.
Some.
Yeah.
Whoop.
Whoa, look at you. Do you guys want some wine?
Yeah, I'll have some in a minute.
Oh, do we have to?
Anyone?
I can bring